Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram white screen problem. So first method is to fix this problem. Open your phone settings, scroll down, tap on app management, tap on Instagram, tap on storage usage, and we need to clear cache and clear data. So for that, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. And the second method is to fix the problem. We need to update our Instagram application. So for that, open Play Store and search here Instagram, and all you have to need, if you see update option here, then you will need to update your Instagram app. And the last method is to fix this problem. We need to uninstall our Instagram and reinstall our Instagram. So for that, again, open your phone settings, scroll down, tap on app management, tap on Instagram, tap on uninstall, and once you uninstalled your app, go to Play Store and reinstall your Instagram app. And that's how you can fix Instagram white screen problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.